All right, friends, today we're going to be taking our math notes. So I just saw you on Thursday, then you did some lessons Friday and Monday, and today we're going to take some notes in our notebook, okay? So you've got your doodle page, you've got your title page, you've got your table of contents. Today, let me focus this for you, sorry. Come on, autofocus. There we go. All right, today our activity will be, or our note taking, whatever you call it, will be a place value chart. We are making a place value chart. We're taking notes on place value, and that is going to be your page 2. Okay? So that's page 1. We go to page 2, and we're making a place value chart. See how I write it really big? I want you to do the same. Take up some space there because we are going to be using this all the time as we learn new place value for 4th and 5th grade, okay? So all this is we're just drawing a place value chart. You've probably seen one before. And we're getting to know a little bit more places on the place value chart, okay? So I have 2 lines here and then one that goes across. This is going to be where my decimal goes. And to help me remember that, I like to put a decimal in each little box, okay? This is our decimal. You can even label it if you like. You can say decimal. All right, so we have our decimal. On the left of our decimal, on the left side is for our wholes. These are where the whole numbers go. All right? And remember, you can pause this at any time, right? You don't have to go at my speed. The right side is for our parts. So these parts are things like 50 cents or 35 cents, where they are not a whole number, but they're a piece or a part of a whole number, and we need more to create a whole. So decimals, we always look at decimals as money, okay? So we'll make a line. We look at decimals as money. So these are our dollars. These are our cents. So if we think of it as money, it might make it a little bit easier. This is our $1 bill. $1 bill. This is our $10 bill. So here you'll see I wrote dollar, and here I wrote the dollar sign. You can do either one. This is just a symbol for taking notes, so I don't have to use up too much room. And this is our $100 bill. Which means this is my hundreds place. This is my tens place. And this is my ones place. So those are our dollars, okay? And we understand that in place value, the farther we go to the left, the more value we have, all right? So if I'm comparing 1 in the dollar or the ones place, I know that 1 in the $1 place is less than a 1 in the tens place. Because with the tens here, I put a 0 in my 1, and this means I have $1, this means I have $10. So if my 1 is in the hundred place, I put my 2 zeros here, and I understand that this means $100. So as the 1 moves to the left, my value gets bigger. Okay? Now we're going to do cents. So on the left side, or the right side, this is for our parts. These are our cents. So the way to think about them is, this is for your dimes. And this is for your pennies. So dimes are 10 cents. So that makes the dimes place our tenths place. It is tenths. The THS lets me know it's a part, not a whole. And my pennies is my hundreds place. Now, that may sound confusing because a penny is only 1 cent. But I need 100 pennies to make $1. So we call it our hundredths. Hundredths place. Okay? And on this side, we know that if I have 1 dime, and I only have 0 pennies, I have 10 cents. And 10 cents is greater than if I have 1 penny and 0 dimes. So here, as the 1 moves to the right, it becomes less than.